Hello, I'm Fabien and welcome back to Fab Motorbikes, and today I'll be showing you how to fix a helmet lock on a Yamaha Fazer FZ6 S2. I've had this motorbike for about 2.5 years now, and as it goes with motorbikes, as soon as you seem to own one you see more and more of them out and about. And something I've noticed is that the helmet lock is often broken on them, and what happens is this seems to swing out and I see a lot of damage on this lovely coated part of the bracket that holds the pillion peg on. So basically I'm going to show you how to repair that and get it back to fully functioning order. Step one in fixing this is removing it. So here, as you can see, it is a Torx head bit, and the one that is required is a T30 Torx. Out it comes. I've come indoors now. As you can see, push that in, doesn't clip, no idea what's happening. So I think step one is to take that apart and take that screw out, and perhaps this one too. Screw number one coming out. And now this flathead one. Well, there you go, that seems to have fixed it. So it appears to me that taking that screw out there has taken the pressure off, and then this turns out to be a keyless way of opening the lock. So it seems that all what's happened is this gunk has gotten in and this has all just got a bit stuck up. I have a little bit of oil there. I'm going to get in there, open it up and clean it out with this brush, and that should lubricate it and clean it out a little bit. Next screw. And then try and wiggle this plate off. Oh yeah, lots of gunk in there. Yep, just getting stuck. Very simple mechanism. And here we go, coming out. So my plan is simply clean it out with a dab of oil, like that, and just get in there and really give it a good clean out. Something like WD-40 will work well as well, but this is all I have at the moment. And these thin bristles should get in all the tiny little gaps. Also, I'm covering the key in the lock there. Nice and freely now, and that's going in and out much better. So effectively this is just a cleaning job. Cleaning off this plate, getting rid of all this gunk as much as possible. Now this bit here, I'm actually going to keep it relatively oily so it moves as freely as possible. So now it's time for reassembly. Put that back in there, push that in. There we go. Put the plate back on. So that spring goes on this side next to the two holes. Lovely. Such smooth action. So reliable. Great, so time to put it back on the bike. Screw back in there as it was before. That way around it goes. Line it back up. I like to screw it in as much as I can by hand and continue with the screwdriver. Now I've got a spanner here just to give it a final little push. That'll do. Perfect. Job well done. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button if you found this useful, and of course subscribe. See you every Friday morning.